To learn how to make this very beautiful wire earring, just follow up this tutorial. All you need 1 millimeter thick wire and 0.5 millimeter thick, 3 pearls of about 8 millimeter in diameter, and then a pen or pencil of that diameter. Main tools: round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, and wire cutter. Then start to draw the lines that you are making this very beautiful wire earring. We need 3 U shapes, and every pearl is going to be put in one of them. And at the starting point, we have a little loop that we are going to attach a straight line. So to start, leave a space of about 1 centimeters to make that very little loop, and then start to wrap it all around that cylindrical shape, a pen or pencil, to have a U shape. And then at the middle of that circle, make another one at the other direction, just like this. And continue that to make the third one. And this is the place where the pearl or stone is going to be put, just at the middle of every U shape. So I'm going to continue that for the third one, and at the end I would make a 90-degree bend just here, and then cut the wire out in about 1.5 centimeters with the wire cutter, of course. So let's keep it up and cut it out. That's it. And I'm going to make the very little loop at first with my round nose pliers. So do that just with me. And that would be the main structure. And I would put the pearls in between. But before, I'm going to make a hammering part at the end. So pick up a hard surface and put the piece on and start to hammering it with the hard hammer so that the wire would spread it out and you would have a flattened surface. Keep going to have a very beautiful hammered part just like this. And I'm going to smooth the sharp edges with jewelry file. If you don't remember how, follow up the tutorial above. Then pick up the thinner wire, insert it in your pearl or stone, and then put it in the first U shape, and with your round nose pliers just wrap it all around the main structure, cut it out, and push it and squeeze it onto the work so that there wouldn't be any sharp edges left. And then cut the wire out in about 6 or 7 centimeters. And then again, with your round nose pliers, wrap it all around the second U shape. At least 2 times is enough. Insert the second pearl or stone in and do the same. What do you think, and what is your favorite? Do you like to use pearls or stones? Please comment it below for me. And I would do that for the third one, and that is our very beautiful first structure. And I'm going to add another straight part. Pick up again your 1 millimeter thick wire and also round nose pliers to make a very little loop at the starting point, and then make a 90-degree bend to have an eye pin. Then, in about 1.5 centimeters, make another 90-degree bend and another loop. Then I'm going to cut it out, so with your wire cutter, just cut the wire out when the circle and the loop is completed. If there is any separated parts in between, just squeeze it with your chain nose pliers so that there wouldn't be any spaces in between. And then we are going to add these two parts together. And now we are going to make a hook to this dangling wire earring. So we start by making a loop and then a question marked shape, a bend, and then cut it out. That is as easy to make a wire hook for the earring. Now I'm going to open it up just like when I'm open a jump ring, and then insert the main structure in and then close it. That is our very beautiful wire earring with 3 pearls in between. How did you find this tutorial? Please comment it for me. Are you going to make one? I hope you do so and enjoy it so much. Love you so much. Take care and bye-bye.